person or event that can cause harm or danger. Sa unang minsan, cyber threats. How about the vulnerabilities? Remember, what is vulnerabilities? O may cyber threat, may vulnerability. Anong vulnerability?
Na mga weakness, sir.
Software that works to confirm or human behavior.
Yes, vulnerability is a weakness or gap within the system, di ba? Anong kahinaan? Vulnerable ba o or vulnerable ang isa na system? How about the cyber attack? Cyber attack. What do you mean by cyber attack?
Happens when a threat successfully exploit a vulnerability to gain unauthorized access to information on the structure.
Okay. So cyber attack it may be a cause, di ba? So na-discuss ang tatlo. The threat, the vulnerabilities, and the cyber attacks. So what are the relationships between that three? O give me an example now. O give me a scenario na lang. So can remember our last meeting discussion. What are the relationship between the cyber threats, vulnerabilities, and the cyber attacks? Ang yun na makakaw natin yun sa may lingkod. O sige, panay. Mag-upload. What are the relationship between the three? Pero sneaky. Ito ba yung catch me siya? What are the relationship between the three? The cyber threat, the cyber attack, the cyber threat, vulnerability, and the cyber attack. Oh. Give me an example or scenario. O first start ng cyber threat. Low-class cyber threat. Example. Give me a simple example lang. For example, a hacker created a fake email. Okay, send mo sa fake email. So, ang purpose ng fake email niya to? To gather personal information. So, ano mo niya? I-send niya sa person. Diba? I-send niya sa fake email sa isang tao. So kung tao na to, hindi siya aware na ang send sa iyo is fake email. So, may weakness na dito. Vulnerable na siya. Silip na kainaan niya. After nakita sa cyber threat, ang weakness ng isang person or ang vulnerability niya, dito na mag-slot ang cyber attack yun na in the way of phishing. Diba? Kaya nag-send naman siya big email. So that's example of the relationship between the three, the threat, vulnerability, and the cyber attack. So today, our discussion is about the fundamentals of cybersecurity, data privacy, ethical considerations, balancing convenience with data protection. We can post in this one. So our learning objectives for today, so by the end of this lesson, or of the lesson, students will be able to, number one, explain the importance of data privacy and identify ethical issues in how personal information is collected and used. So number one, objective, we will define or identify or explain what are the importance of cyber security, data privacy under that, and also what are the ethical considerations. That's number one objective. Number two objective, show respect and responsibility to others' data, evaluate ethical online behavior. This is on what are the different online behavior. And lastly, number three, apply cybersecurity such as adjusting privacy settings, creating strong passwords,